Hello, YouTube. This is the JB Smokes coming at you on the road. A little housekeeping in my Morgan nose warmer. I'm almost through with a bowl of Peter Stokeby's Luxury Bullseye Flake. Good stuff. And I'm actually surprised. I filled this bowl up when I was in Hendersonville at about, let's see, 9 o'clock, 9:30. I lit it up when I got on the interstate. And it is 10:30 and I'm still smoking on this bowl. It's getting a little hot now. It keeps going out on me. So I'm getting near the end of it. But still got a little bit left in it. Using my handy dandy Bic lighter because my pipe lighter, I've got to go take it back to the cigar shop where I got it. I'll put it down. I think that ball's done. But yeah, it's done. But my pipe lighter not working, so had to resort to a Bic. I heard on Country Spire Radio that if it comes between you using a match or your pipe lighter, you don't have either, use Bic and light up. So JD, John David Cole, I lit up with a Bic. But just driving. Got to go to Rock Hill today to wait a second. I didn't want my sunglasses to be swinging in the way, but got to go to Rock Hill to York Tech to get my transcript sent. For some reason their online way of doing transcripts wasn't working, so I have to go to get my transcript sent to Piedmont International University, where hopefully I will be getting classes through their online program in the middle of January. And so yeah, I'm wanting to continue my education. I was going to Liberty University right after I graduated Fruitland, but just financially, it's crazy. I mean, it's good school, good education, and the accreditation is through SACS, so it's a little bit better than Piedmont, but as through much prayer and talking with people, I can take that bachelor's degree and still take it to one of the Southern Baptist seminaries for my master's degree. So that's what I'll be doing. So that's why I'm traveling today. But last night, knowing I was going to be traveling, I packed up my tobacco carrier, tobacco pouch, tobacco. Basically, what it is I have a. Well, I'll show you. I have a. Can't even think of what the name is now. It's a toiletry bag or whatever. My wife got me last year for Christmas a Sephora cologne sampler, and it came in that thing. And I took the cologne out and have been lugging around all my tobacco stuff in it. And so one thing I was wanting to show, I guess, if I can, while driving, let me just say this: kids, do not do this. Okay, if you're a kid, you wouldn't be smoking anyway, but I would not recommend driving, making a YouTube video, and basically do a pocket dump of everything that is in my tobacco carrier. So will not recommend doing this, but being the professional that I am, I'm going to do it anyway. So just figured I would show everybody what I take with me, and I guess ask the question and maybe get some video responses as well of what your travel tobacco, how you travel with your tobacco, be it cigars, pipes, and whatnot. So I'm just gonna do a just a little pocket dump of that here for you. And first, right off the top, I took 3 cigars with me. I got a AJ Fernandez New World Maduro, Alec Bradley Black Market, huge cigar, and a Perdomo Nick Stick Maduro. And I got my cutter and my cigar lighter all in here in this little bag that I get the cigars in whenever you go and buy. So that is what I had right on top. I did have this Morgan nose warmer pipe in there, but I took it out this morning to be able to smoke a bowl on the way. Let's see, I'm just gonna feel around, and whatever comes is what I'll show. What I was smoking, the Peter Stokkebye's Luxury Bullseye Flake in these little jars that I got. What's the next jar? Orlick Dark Strong Kentucky. So took that. A little story about these. I went and bought, and I may have said this already. I don't think so. But I went and bought these little 2-ounce jars because I had a lot of samples of stuff that I wanted to jar up instead of keeping it in the little bags. While it's not really good for bulk stuff that I have, I don't mind it. You know, at first I was kind of frustrated with it. I was like, it said it had 4 ounces. It was a 4-ounce jar, maybe a 2-ounce jar, but I could barely get an ounce in it. It seems like of tobacco, but right now for traveling and stuff, it actually does pretty good. These little jars, I can pop 2 in the little travel case that I got, and be on my way and take 2 jars of tobacco with me. And instead of having the big tin, it just carries a little bit better when traveling. Let's see, I took a few pipes with me. This beautiful pipe, my 308 Peterson pipe. It's an estate pipe that I got at the local pipe shop in Hendersonville, and so I took it with me, and most likely I will be this will be the pipe that I go to later today when I go to Palmetto Breeze Cigars in Rock Hill. So this is the pipe I'll be using today. At least that's my plan. Let's see. Kind of just grabbing and going here. A basket pipe that I got, $40. Love the grain on it. But I can't show you this right now. I'll have to take a picture. But it burned out. I smoke hot, and it must have had a pit in it. Either I smoked it too hot, but there is a burnout place in it. And when I went to go take it back to the shop in which I got it, which is not Sir Tom's in in Hendersonville, I got it at Pipes Limited in the Asheville Mall. They would not take it back. So here's the question: if you have a pipe that is burnt out, I can put my finger in this little spot right here, and if you have a pipe that's burnt out, do you keep smoking it, or do you just lay it to the side, or what do you do? I've been smoking out of it, and it smokes fine. It just smokes hot, and I can feel it in that one spot on the outside of the bowl a little bit more. But question to you guys: if you have a burnout pipe, do you keep smoking till it cracks, or what do you do? Figured, heck, I'm gonna keep smoking. What else do I got in here? Got a little bag that I brought with me of some Stokeby Luxury Navy flake that my Sir Tom's has started carrying in bulk, so I've been getting it from there. Another little basket pipe that I got. You may remember this from some of my former videos. I did not like it at first. I hated this pipe. I got it because I thought it looked cool. I loved the red color of it, but it was just heavy, and I was in a little phase there where I wanted bent pipes, but I found myself, even though I have the Peterson 308, found myself lately going more toward the billiard. Just the way I clench it, I just kind of let it fall, so it rests really well. And this is what I first smoked the Dark Straw Kentucky out of, and it smoked great in it. And so brought this one with me. And then of course you gotta have pipe cleaners. I got bristled pipe cleaners and regular pipe cleaners. So that is what is in my travel tobacco case that I go with me. I pack it up whenever I know I'll be going on a trip. So that's what I got with me today, and I probably wasted a lot of your time, but I hope not. But just some questions, and maybe you can do some video responses. I don't know. Leave comments below. What is your carry? How do you carry your tobacco when you travel? Also, do you smoke a burnout pipe? Do you smoke it till it cracks, or what do you do with it? Do you just leave it in the rack? That was one of the things with this Peterson. When I got it, it was unsmoked, and they don't make this shape anymore. And so I first had it, and I kept it in the box, and I kept it, and I kept it, and kept it there for about a month. And I decided, you know what, a pipe is meant to be smoked. So I smoked it. And so I may have a different ideology than some of you, but I still want to know what your ideology is. Is a pipe meant to be smoked, even if it has a burnout place pit in it, or is it just meant to sit there at that point? I don't know. Anyways, I hope you guys in the YouTube pipe community are having a great Wednesday. It is a little cloudy right now, but hope you guys are having a great Wednesday, and hope all of you are doing well, and And as we are about to come to Thanksgiving a week from tomorrow, if I don't see you before Thanksgiving, I hope you all travel safely. And again, I would love to see what all of you are, how all of you are traveling with your tobacco, and to see your family, to see your friends and everybody. Would love to see what that looks like for you. So yeah, I'm just gonna say it. If you are traveling with your tobacco, show it off. I wanna know how you travel, and maybe I can learn some tips from you guys and how to travel with tobacco. My cousin, I saw a while back, bought a Maxpedition. I think it was either a beefy case, but I've been wanting one of those because I like it. At the same time, it looks kind of weird carrying this bag with me everywhere. But yeah, hope you guys have a wonderful day, a wonderful weekend, and have a wonderful Thanksgiving. And remember that the main thing we are to be thankful for is that there is a sovereign God who loves us, and be thankful for your family. My wife this morning was kind of just upset that I wouldn't be spending time with her because I'll be getting back from Rock Hill kind of late this evening, and I'll just be honest with you. I said some things that I probably shouldn't have said, and acted in a way that I probably should not have acted. And life is short, and we should always be thankful for the many blessings and mercies that Christ and the Lord have given us. And men, if you are married, you are called to be the spiritual leader of your house. And if you have not yet, show your wife that you love her. And so my wife probably will not watch this video, but baby, I'm sorry for the way that I acted, and I love you, and I'm thankful for you. And all you YouTubers out there, I'm thankful for your friendship and your camaraderie as well. And hope you all have a blessed, thankful Thanksgiving. Love you guys. God bless.